How to change Roblox Studio language. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how you can quickly and easily change the language in Roblox Studio. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Roblox Studio on your device and make sure that you're also logged in with your specific account. Now once you open the Roblox Studio, go ahead and tap on the File option in the top left corner of the screen. From here, tap on Studio Settings that you will find between Game Settings and Beta Features. Now once you tap on it, a new window will appear with various Studio Editor options. It's helpful to make the window bigger. And in this Studio section, under General, there you will find the option of Language, which is between Always Save Script Changes and Theme. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar at the top and type in Language. Now change the language from System Default to your preferred language. Tap on the drop-down menu and you will see a list of different languages available. Simply select it from here and you'll be done. After you make the change and close the settings window, Roblox Studio might restart to apply the changes. Once Roblox Studio restarts, the new language will be applied. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.